In this video, I'm going to show you how to find Regirock in Cobbleverse. So first and foremost, you need to make sure that you have the Hoenn region unlocked on Cobbleverse. You're able to do that by defeating the Kanto region, including Champion Blue, and the Johto region, including Champion Lands. Now, of course, it does require you to grind a little bit, so if you have that down, you're good to go, but you could also use commands if you want to speed up the process, which you're able to do by typing in the command /function followed by Cobbleverse, then type in blue_champion defeated, and that is going to effectively defeat the Kanto region for you. You could also do the same thing for lands/function Cobbleverse lands champion defeated, and that is going to unlock the Hoenn region for you, which you will need to unlock in order to get the Hoenn structures and crafting recipes. Alright, now the next thing you need to do is you need to make sure you get the Hoenn cartography table. You will also need to go ahead and find this item called the Pebble Relic. And to find the Pebble Relic, you're going to need to break this ore called the Rock Ore using a diamond pickaxe or above. And this rock ore is going to spawn in the lush cave biomes between Y level -40 and +40. So be sure to be on the lookout for lush caves where you're able to go ahead and find this and get the Pebble Relic. The next thing I recommend you guys get is the Regirock radar. And I highly recommend that you guys do this because in theory, you could just wander around your world and find it, but obviously that is going to take forever. I highly recommend getting this, the Regirock radar. This is the crafting recipe. You're going to need some dripstone blocks. You're also going to need large tumblestone buds, a rock gem, and a tumblestone right here. And this is the crafting recipe for the Poke radar. So once you have this down, then you're able to open up the Hoenn cartography table, place a empty map right here, then a Regirock radar right over there, and that is going to begin generating a map that will point you to the nearest location of where Regirock is. All right, so wait for it to load in. There you go. There it is. And then from there, you're able to go ahead and take a look at it, and it is going to let you know exactly where it is. So if you do have commands turned on, you also are able to run a command in order to find him. So if you are doing this in survival Minecraft, then go ahead and use the map. But if you do have commands turned on and you want to speed up the process, type this in. /locate followed by structure, then type in Cobbleverse, then type in legendary, then type in / followed by Regirock, press on enter, then it's going to let you know the coordinates to the nearest one. And as you're able to tell, this one is like 17,000 blocks away. So that is absolutely insane. It definitely is a little bit of a grind to find him. But anyways, let's go ahead and teleport here. All right, guys, so here is our temple right over here. So this is how it is going to look like. It is going to spawn in the savanna biomes. So again, it is a little bit of a grind to find it. But anyways, you just want to enter it and make sure to have your pebble rock ready. Then you're going to find this altar right over here. And all you want to do is you want to go ahead and right click on it just like this. And that is going to spawn Regirock for you. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video.